Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw AirQuality monitor subscription in Amazon Alexa, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your AirQuality monitor subscription from Amazon Alexa, begin by opening the Amazon Alexa app on your mobile. Sign in to your Amazon account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the More option located in the bottom right corner. From the menu, select Skills and Games. In the Skills and Games section, tap on your skills at the top of the screen. Scroll through your active skills to find the AirQuality monitor skill you want to withdraw. Once located, tap on the skill to open its settings. Look for the Settings option within the Skills page. Inside the Settings menu, find the option that states Manage Subscription or similar. Tap on this option to proceed to your subscription details. Review the subscription information and locate the Cancel Subscription button. Select Cancel Subscription to initiate the withdrawal process. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to cancel. Confirm your choice to complete the cancellation. You will receive a notification that your subscription has been successfully withdrawn. To ensure the changes have taken effect, revisit the Skills settings to verify that the subscription status shows as cancelled. Once you've confirmed the cancellation, you can close the app. Your AirQuality monitor subscription has now been successfully withdrawn from Amazon Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.